Hey there, this is Wanda with Pretty Cute Press, and today I wanted to come in and share some of the top Black Friday deals for creatives and crafters that I've come across. Um, and you'll be able to come to this list that I've compiled for you by simply going to prettycutepress.com/BFD 2024. The first one I want to share with you is Creative Fabrica. You've heard me talk about it before. It's one of my favorite resources because not only do you have access to commercial use graphics and fonts, but you also will find classes, tools, all kinds of resources to use in your creative projects. And for Black Friday, they have where you can get a 1 year full access pass for just $47. Plus, when you get it during the Black Friday deal, you can also get a free gift of a vinyl. So one thing I will say about Creative Fabrica is that they do run this $47 deal um, throughout the year at different times, but there's not always this gift attached to it. So this may be one that if you got a lot of things on your Black Friday list, you might want to put this on the back burner. But one thing to note, even if you already have a Creative Fabrica subscription, you can use this deal and extend your current subscription for another year. So like I say, you'll get 1 full year plus a free gift, and you're going to get a pack of vinyl from on there. And it goes here when you buy a yearly plan, you can select your gift. You also will get an opportunity to participate in a giveaway. And they also are giving out daily freebies over at their site. So you want to hop over there and check them out and get some great creative assets that you can use for your projects as you're preparing for the holiday season. And say they have some prizes. So I just wanted to bring that particular deal. Creative Fabrica is someplace that I use and I love. Um, could say when you go over here in Creative Fabrica, they have fonts, images, craft templates, they have tools, they have tons of different tools. And if you are a teacher, then you can actually access their teacher club card, and it's just $2.99 per year. Okay, so if you're someone who is a teacher, you want to check out the teacher club card. They have lots of bundles. They have courses and all sorts of things available as a part of your subscription. However, if you're someone who doesn't like the idea of subscriptions, then you can buy your fonts and graphics as one-off items as well. Okay, one of the next deals that I want to make you aware of is the Adobe Creative Cloud. If you're someone who uses Photoshop or Illustrator, one of the things that they have going on for Black Friday is they have a 50% off when you subscribe for their all apps plan. And I currently am a Creative Cloud subscriber, and you'll see that this deal ends November the 29th. You'll get access to all of the apps, and it's at 50% off, which I think $29.98. So this is another great deal. I highly suggest that you check it out if you're someone who uses Photoshop. Okay. Um, Another design software tool that I wanted to make you aware of is PDF Linker. If you're someone who creates digital planners or is looking at creating digital planners and you want to save time creating your hyperlinks in your planner, I suggest you check out PDF Linker. Um, okay, so let me go back. PDF Linker is a software tool that, like I say, is going to help you speed up linking your planners, your digital planners, and you can use this tool regardless of what software that you actually use to create your planners, whether that's Canva, InDesign, Photoshop, PowerPoint, Affinity, however you use to create your planner. This is a separate little software package that will help you to easily hyperlink your tools. And it is just $79, and it's a one-time fee. And with this, not only do you get access to this tool, but you also the creator packs in all these little different templates and things like that, and you'll get great support. So I highly suggest that if digital planners is on your agenda for 2025, that you'll want to check out this particular software, PDF Linker. Like I say, it's a $79 one-time fee, and I think it is a great deal for those who are in the digital planner space. Um, and Affinity, if you're someone who doesn't like the idea of the subscriptions with Adobe, then you might want to look into the Affinity suite of software. They have tools that are comparable to Illustrator and Photoshop, and they currently are running a 50% off all of their apps and add-ons for Black Friday. And so you want to check them out. They have Photo, Affinity Designer, Publisher, and I do have this as well. And when you get this, you can get the all apps, all platforms, and it's for a one-time payment there. So this is another great tool for creatives. You might want to check this out as well. Um, Another software tool that I would like to bring your attention to is Repper, and it is a great tool for creating patterns if you're someone who likes to sell digital papers, or you use digital papers in your creations if you're making coloring books or things like that. Repper is a great tool to have in your toolbox. And for Black Friday, they are running a special where you can get 50% off when you get the yearly. When you get the yearly here. And what this tool is, like I say, you can see it here on here. You take a source image, and from that source image, as you scale your drag your cursor across there, it creates various different patterns. And you can use this not just for if you're selling digital papers, but also if you're someone who does print on demand. You can use these patterns for creating jewelry, for creating cards, creating bags, anything that you would be doing, putting a pattern or something on. This is a great tool, and I have used it for quite some time. You just take an image. You can even take like the copies of your kids' artwork or your grandchildren's artwork and use it as your source file and turn it into a pattern and create a lot of fun gifts and things for your family members. So that is a great deal I think you should check out. Okay, and here I wanted to point out, if you're someone who's looking to generate some extra income as we head into the new year, you're looking for someone could use some mentorship and some guidance, I encourage you to check out the DCT community. There you can transform. It shows you how to transform your creativity into a thriving digital empire using AI and with a supportive community. And DCT is ran by uh, Jamisha Bazemore of Coco Twins. And in it is a one-time fee when you join. The basic is $97. And inside of the community, you'll have access to tons of other ladies and gentlemen who are also trying to create um, extra incomes or businesses, and you'll learn about how to master AI tools. And it's a wonderful place for beginners and those who are experienced as well. It is housed on the school platform, and I encourage you to check that out. Um, Misha is a great teacher, and you've probably seen her share so much wealth of knowledge on YouTube and TikTok. And she's a really great teacher, and is very inspirational to see and hear what she's been able to do in the digital space. Okay, now let's talk about email marketing. If you are a solopreneur, a small business owner, there are some things that you need, and email marketing is one of those. If you're just getting started and trying to build your email list, I would advise you to check out ConvertKit, or Kit as they are now known. They were formerly known as ConvertKit. And they, for Black Friday, currently have you can get 30% off their creator plan. And it also has the ability, you can start a free trial. And even if you're not ready to go with their yearly plan, if you're someone who's just getting started, I would even suggest looking into their newsletter plan, which is $0 a month for up to 10,000 subscribers. Okay. And it does have some more limitations, but it is a great place to start. I am on ConvertKit, and I've been utilizing it for several years now. And I would encourage you, if you're looking for an email service provider to start building your email list for your business, to check out Kit. And like I say, they are currently running their biggest deal of the year. And you can click on it, and it shows you that it's 30% off their creator annual plan. And it starts at $76 for 1 year. And it includes all the visual automation. You can set up sequences, landing pages. You can do tags and segments. All of that kind of good stuff is available to you. So I encourage you to check out this Black Friday deal. Um, And if you're someone, when it comes to email marketing, you're like, I'm not even really sure. I know I should email. I've heard I should email people, but I'm not sure what I should say. Then you might want to check out the email marketing membership, which is hosted by Liz. And in this Black Friday deal, you can get the annual pass. And not only will you get a year's full of email templates, where each month she's going to be sending you templates that you can tweak and to your own voice with ideas and inspirations of what to send to your email newsletter subscribers, but you'll also get a year access to all of her courses that's currently in her library, and any new courses that she creates throughout the year. And it's just $108 for the annual pass. So that's another great deal to check out. Okay, and I wanted to make you aware that that there's also, if you're looking into email marketing and things like this, you can actually get a complimentary access to the Lifestyle Freedom course with this particular code. And all you need to do is just click there. Okay, if you're someone who's looking to save time in your business with rebrandable templates, and when I say rebrandable, it simply means that these are done for you templates that allows you to customize, edit, and resell, then I would encourage you to check out these three options. Spreadsheetables. This is for people who are interested in learning how to create and sell spreadsheets. Plus, you also will get access to done for you rebrandable templates. And Spreadsheetables, let's take a look at it real quick. I'm trying to get it to. Okay, I'm going to put my link in there in just a minute. But with Spreadsheetables, they have a Black Friday deal. Okay, here it is. That's currently going on, and you can get it. It's still available. And here you can get access to, like I say, training courses, the VIP spreadsheet hub, and it has not only tools and templates that you can use for your own business, but also tools that you can sell. It's $47 a month or $390 per year during the Black Friday pricing sale. They also have the option where you can actually get lifetime access to it as well. So this is a great resource if you're interested in adding spreadsheets to your business offerings. Okay. Then, if you're interested in selling Notion templates, then I encourage you to check out the Notion Template Vault. And here not sure why these are not working, but inside the Notion Template Vault, you can currently get 50% off, and it has rebrandable Notion templates that you can sell as well. And then here on the Google Docs Planner Vault, this is a vault that gives you access to create, share, and sell your own custom planners, journals, worksheets, and printables just using Google tools. So you don't need any expensive software like Adobe, and you don't have to have any past graphic design skills. So you'll just click here and you can visit the vaults access. And then below here, I've shared some no cost goodies for you. If you're looking for some inspiration, you can get this free guide that's showing you some ideas on different types of spreadsheets that you can create. A lot of times when we think of spreadsheets, we only think of budgeting and things like that. But the ladies over at Spreadsheetables will give you inspiration on all different types of spreadsheets that you can sell that go beyond just financial spreadsheets. Okay, I've included, if you're interested in launching your own Etsy shop, I have included where you can grab 40 free listings when you open your new shop. And then also here, if you're looking for some gifts, get on this wait list and sign up for 12 days of gifts. It launches in December, but if you go ahead and get on the list, you'll get the emails when the first day that those gifts are available. And then I've included a link to a handy resource as we're all out here shopping during this holiday season. You can save while you shop with this handy tool. So click there and open that up. Like I said, I will have the link to this, and all of these links does include my affiliate links, which means I may earn a small commission if you make any purchases. However, these are all tools and resources that I use myself, and the commission that I may receive is at no additional cost to you. I hope that you found these Black Friday deals helpful. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment below. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.